Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon Seller Central tax documents, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the process, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type sellercentral.amazon.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Amazon Seller Central login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Amazon Seller Central account. Next, type in your password. Once both fields are filled, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Seller Central dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Reports tab in the top navigation menu. Hover over the Reports tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Tax Document Library option. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the Tax Document Library page. Here, you will see a list of tax documents associated with your account. To view a specific document, click on the document title. If you want to download the document, look for the download icon next to it. Click the download icon to save the file to your computer. Once you have downloaded the necessary documents, you can close your browser. This concludes the process of logging in and accessing tax documents in Amazon Seller Central. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.